Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making samosa patty from scratch. So crispy, we can make within 15 minutes. All-purpose flour 1 cup. With the same cup 1 cup water. Salt half tablespoon. Mix everything without any lumps. This is perfect consistency. In a tawa, do like this. Now in a pan, take hot water. Now cook like this. Cook for 10 minutes. Now it's ready. Transfer on wet cloth. Cut into perfect sheets. You can make spring rolls with these sheets. For samosas, cut into half. Now it's ready. For samosa filling, I am using chicken. Fold like this, V shape. On the edges, apply slurry. Fold like this. Now it's ready to fry. You can store up to 1 month in refrigerator. Now it's ready for frying. Hot oil. Fry until crispy on high heat. Now it's ready for serving. Transfer to a bowl. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching.